Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to change graphics settings in Free Fire Max. To change the graphics settings in the Free Fire Max game, first of all, open the Free Fire Max game on your device, and from the main home screen, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner in order to open the settings menu. Within the settings menu, go ahead and tap on Display on the left. Inside Display, go to Graphics and then choose the graphics setting menu from the available options. If you go ahead and choose the smooth option, then this is best for smoother gameplay on lower end devices. Similarly, if you choose the standard option, this is also good for your low end devices. If you want to go to the ultra or the max options, then remember that this is for a great visual experience on high-end devices. So make sure to choose the graphics settings according to your device's capacity, and that way you will be able to change your graphics settings in Free Fire Max. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.